So basically, even like any kind of operation when you are doing, it will be having goals, and it will be having some standards, it will be having some elements, everything it will be having, guys. So in this lecture, let us go through the elements, and in the next lecture, we'll be going through the goals, guys, goals of software quality assurance. Okay, so let us first go through the elements. So the first element is nothing but standards. So basically, whenever anything is mandatory or it is done frequently, everything like that will be having some standards, guys. So standards are nothing but some set of rules which should be followed. Okay, so the IEEE and ISO and other standard organizations have produced a broad array of software engineering standards related to documentation. So hence, job of SQA is to ensure that the standards that are adopted and properly and perfectly allocated. So basically, you should make sure that your software quality assurance is under any one of the standard, so that it could be in the safe zone other than the danger softwares, like which are not of the quality that is recommended, right? Okay. Similarly, reviews and audit. So basically, you need to do some frequent reviews, guys, and audits, like whether the software is working fine or not, in that way. So technical reviews are a quality control activity performed by a software engineer for the project. Audits are also performed to check how well they are following the standards. So we all know about audits, right? So in some companies they'll be doing audits, so they'll be saying self audits, and sometimes someone else will be coming and checking everything, files and everything, right? So that is nothing but audit, guys. So they will be reviewing the things, and they will be finally submitting a report about the status and about the quality of the product. So review and audit will also play a major role in SQA and testing. Okay, so if there is some bug or if there is some error, how can you find it, guys? With the help of testing. So software testing is a quality control function that has a primary goal to find errors. So the goal of SQA is to plan test cases properly and efficiently to ensure the quality. Okay, to ensure the quality, we will be planning the test cases in a proper way. Okay, error or defect collection and analysis. So SQA collects and analyzes errors and defects data to be better understood, how errors are introduced and how they are eliminated. So again, you will be doing analysis that how the errors are coming and how you are resolving them. Okay, so you'll be making everything a note, guys. Okay, so change management. So change is one of the most common thing in a software project, guys. So when anytime the client might be saying that, okay, I need this change in the thing, this doesn't look fine, so he might be having any kind of changes. So you should be ready to adopt them, and you should make sure that your software quality is also not degrading. Okay, hence it's mandatory to check even after you change the plan. You will be checking whether the software quality assurance is almost same or not. Okay, guys, we cannot say it will be 100%. It will be around some basic percent, and it will keep on decreasing slowly, and at some point it will be keeping constant. Okay, so education. So every software organization should plan or improve its software educational practices. So basically, previously, before 5-10 years, there are no much practices. Like there are no particular methods that they are following. But now there are multiple methods. In future, there will be many methods. So you need to educate the employees that they should learn these methods and they should apply them, because that will be advantage for them and the company only, right? Yes. So security management and safety. Okay, so with increasing on the cyber crime, all the data collected in the software should be saved safely. Okay, as software in every electronic device which is used today, it is must to save them in a proper way, like mainly autonomous vehicles and crafts. So basically those details should be highly kept mandatory, like that they should be kept highly private, guys. Okay, so risk management. So eliminating of risk is also important. Okay, so these are some elements of quality assurance, guys. That is nothing but software quality assurance. So in the next lecture, we will be seeing some tasks and goals, guys. Okay, so let us